So I'm a year 3 medical student from NUS Yonglulin School of Medicine.
I'm Clarice. I recently just graduated medical school in Hong Kong. And right now I'm starting as an intern as a doctor.
So I'm a year 4 med student at Lee Kong Chian School of Medicine.
So I'm a year 4 student from the University of Hong Kong Medical School.
So I guess my first impression of the smartphone ophthalmoscope is that it is quite a new method of imaging the ocular fundus, quite novel as well, because you can just connect the thing to your smartphone. It's therefore very convenient because like everybody has a smartphone nowadays, and you don't need like a specialized direct ophthalmoscope or any other kind of equipment. It's just something you connect to your smartphone, and the image retention is one of the added features. And as well as the fact that when you image the fundus and look through the smartphone screen, right, other people can see what you're seeing, as opposed to the traditional direct ophthalmoscope where only you can see what you're seeing.
I found using that Kuroda adapter device quite easy.
I used this actually. I tried it in clinic, and the patient was quite surprised because we actually used the phone to look at the back of the eye. And like when we showed the patient like the videos that we took, they were quite impressed. Like, oh wow!
Patients actually came up to us and said, "Can we look at the pictures?" And the patients were very interested and very invested as to what was actually happening in their eye, and they were, it was kind of they felt empowered to kind of see what the condition was.
One of the advantages is, like, especially in pandemic situations where like very close proximity can facilitate the spread of certain, like, whereas if it's further, it like reduces this risk. It's also much more comfortable for the patient. It's less invasive into their like personal space, I guess. And when the patient is comfortable, they tend not to move around as much, so it's also easier for us to get a better view.
Convenient, and it's also very accessible. Very innovative that we are tapping into day-to-day technology.
Time to come, there'll be more medical schools trying out this new method.